Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. So I just want to take a quick second real quick to say thank you to all you guys who keep thumbsing up and commenting on all these videos. It really helps in terms of this getting monetized, this channel that is. And also what I've been really thinking about lately is it also really helps push our content, which obviously we know that, but what I've just been thinking a lot about this stuff. Sorry for the spiel, but a lot of YouTubers don't do this, and I like to kind of share with you guys how this works. Pretty much what we're doing right now on this channel is just like, it's a type of thing that's not tapped into on YouTube whatsoever, which is super hard to find nowadays. If you find anything you really like, and a lot of people as a whole really like, there's usually a big community of it on YouTube. This one, there's not. As far as I'm concerned, I might be the only channel that actually does jewelry reviewing like as a thing, which is, you know, really good and like kind of not as good in some ends. So like, for example, when you guys thumbs up and comments on the videos, it helps share it. But on the other end, I'm also not on anyone's recommendeds that much because there's nobody doing what I do. So if we talk about sneakers, you're talking about sneakers, you're gonna be on another recommended on the sidebar of people that talk about sneakers. Does that make sense? Also with that, I do want to say I would highly maybe suggest, I wouldn't say, I would highly, I don't know what the word is, I don't know what it is. I would say if you guys are really into YouTube and you guys dig what I'm talking about and you dig it yourselves just as much, I would suggest tapping into this community that we're just building right now, because it's really, once again, hard to come by on YouTube. I'm just saying, it would help both of us if I could get recommended on your videos and then you would get recommended on mine. It's a no-brainer, you know? Anyway, appreciate y'all, man. And real quick, I just did a spiel, so I'll keep this real quick. This video is not sponsored, so we're sponsoring it ourselves with our own website. Link is down below, boys. It's NameBranFam.com. Now, obviously, you guys love the jewelry. That's what we sell down below on NameBranFam.com. We just put up this piece right here. It's like a little letter pendant. You can pick any letter in the alphabet. It's free. We also put up a tennis chain, selling out real quick. It's free. We've got a bunch of that type of stuff, and when I say free, you have to pay shipping, but you could also add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. And the last thing I wanted to say, I've just been updating the website a little bit because I'm the one that actually picks the products and my team handles the rest from there. I've been adding a little bit more on top of that, items that you actually pay for. Now, why would I pay for an item if I could get free ones? The paid for items are just like straight up better quality. If I could give those to you for free, I would, but I can't. So go search up watch, for example, on the search bar on the website, and you can find some watches that you could pay for, a bunch of other stuff. And also, if you do buy something on the website, you can still add the 2 free things to your cart for the price of shipping. So anyway, that's just my spiel. NameBranFam.com. Links down below. I'm trying to hook you guys up for real cheap. I haven't seen any website giving you the prices that I'm giving you right now at all, and I'm pretty proud of that. Even though I'm making a lot less money, it's still sick. I think it just makes me come off like more cool, so that's what I'm in for. Alright, man, so now let's get into it. I've been having a lot of you guys, long story short, asking me lately. I'm just gonna skip past this real quick. If I could do a video finding jewelry that I think, fake jewelry, that I think might be able to pass a diamond tester. Now, when we say diamond tester, we're talking about the crappy one. We got our $500 one. I don't think anything's gonna pass that unless you're doing moissanite stuff. That's like a type of diamond that sometimes passes. We've done videos on that, search it up. Anyway, yeah, you guys have been asking if I could do that. Now, in order for me to do that, I need to do a lot of research. It's like gonna take a month maybe for me to actually put out a really cool video of me doing a bunch of research on these fake selling websites and possibly finding what I think might pass one of these crappy diamond testers. So we're not doing that today. What I thought is we would take a smaller step. We'll put it in a group real quick. So what I thought we would do is I picked the best, in my opinion, replica wrapper pendants, if you will, that I've seen on the internet. So for example, you see 6ix9ine wearing that thing. We're gonna be diamond testing a replica one of that. Wrapper oriented. Just to get me started on this, we're gonna be starting off with a bunch of packages here. And in my personal opinion, maybe, because I know the quality's sick, and even quality doesn't have to match with this. This thing is just a crazy little thing that doesn't always work all the time. We're trying to fake flex, obviously. So I found some packages here. Yes, this one's open because I had to make sure this is for the video, that I thought may or may not pass a diamond tester. We're gonna unbox them all, we're gonna test them, and then, you know, we'll go from there. How's that sound? First one we're going to be testing. This is actually one I've been curious for a long time about. I've never, and this is the only one we're actually not going to be unboxing. This is the only one I actually have in my little arsenal right now for videos. This 6'9" jigsaw pendant. This is from a company called krkc. I know they're sick. I know their quality is insane. And if you look at all the packages we're about to open up, I went for good quality. Sometimes those really good quality diamonds somehow pass this. That's what we're checking. So we're going with that one right there first off. So let's go for this one real quick. This one right here, I can see on the label, is from my boys over at Gold Gods. I actually purchased this because, if you guys know, we just did a rapper jewelry unboxing with them, and I actually ordered this exact, oh, nice bag. I actually got this exact pendant from them not too long ago, but I gave those away, so I had to rebuy one for this video because I forgot to diamond test the stuff in the video. So we're just gonna take this out. Now, I will say, right out, oh, yeah, I can't say that D word. It's really weird with YouTube nowadays. I can't even see that. I can't say H-E-L-L. Nothing. Anyway, first one is from Gold Gods. Now, like I said, I've unboxed this before, but I forgot to diamond test, and I know they're real crazy quality. This is actually a chain that they collaborated with Blueface on. If you guys see the back, it says Blueface X Diamond Gods. Really wanted to test that. Now, none of these companies, I'll say right now, claimed that they will pass, but we'll get into the next one right here. We've seen otherwise. This is actually from people over at Shop GLD. Now, when I say they have never claimed that it will pass, I dig that. I really dig that a lot because a lot of times it may not because these are so unpredictable. But I remember one video, and boys, you're gonna have to help me out on this one with what piece it was. But one video, I diamond tested one of their things and it actually worked. Like it lit up. And saying it was real on this. This is a classic $20 thing you can get on Amazon. I've tested other pieces from them and it didn't work. So we don't really know. I don't really know how this thing works, but it's still fun. I like the diamond testing videos. Apparently you guys do too. So I got another package from GLD. You know, they still are not working with the boy. I messaged them a few times. I've been left on red. No hate. Maybe I pissed someone off at one point in time. I'm very honest with my jewelry reviews, so maybe that's what happened. Anyway, this code right there, they give that to you in your package. It's free, $25 gift code. If anyone wants to use that, go for it. And let's see what we got here. This actually came in a while ago. I had this video idea so long ago, but with shipping nowadays, it's nuts. Okay, I remember what we got now. First one, we got the Savage one. Now, I'm assuming that this has to do with 21 Savage. I don't know if this was a personal collab they did with him, or if this is just a Savage pennant, but I thought I'm a big fan of 21 Savage, so had to test this one. Like I say, one of their items has actually passed my diamond test before. Wow, and if I'm not mistaken, yeah, we got one more here. And this one, I think, don't quote me 100%, I think this one, they actually did collaborate with Trippy Red. We got the 14 right there. Now the reason I think they collabed on this is because I thought I saw a picture, or like them saying that, but also he's got 14 on his face, you know, like even when he signs his autograph, I got one in my room, he signs a big 14. He's got 1400 right here on his neck. We got the Trippy Red pendant right there. We'll be testing that from Shop GLD. And the last one, boys, the one that I did open just because I had no idea. They didn't even put the name of the company on this package here, so I don't know what they're from, but if it passes, I'll let you guys know. This one, I just took a quick peek. I had to take a quick peek because I wasn't sure if it was for this video. Boys, so I opened it and closed it, so I haven't seen it that long yet. This one, this one's insane. This one, I'm trying to look at the package. Maybe they do have a little, oh, I missed it. No, this is from Iced Out Customs. Okay, my bad. I don't know who they are. I just saw that they're jewelry. I don't know if I saw them on an Instagram ad, but it looks really cool quality. And I thought, you know what, this will go really well with the video for the rapper chain testing. Oh, buddy. Sorry, I'm hogging it. As y'all can see, man, we got that right there. This is a pendant that Trippy Red has. It's actually a lot bigger on him. I always thought this thing was super sick. I can't remember, it's on one of his album covers. It might be Life's a Trip album cover. Can't remember. You guys let me know down below. I should have done research, but anyway. This one looks insane. What I'm just seeing right now is this clock actually spins, and I'm not even gonna lie to you, man. This is maybe, I remember I got this for well under $100, maybe better quality than the Shop GLD, or at least the same quality as Shop GLDs, and also Gold Gods, and also this krkc one. So I'm actually really stoked. This one came with a chain too. Without further ado, boys, we're working with trippy red wrapper chain, 6'9", blue face, trippy red again, and 21 Savage. Alright boys, so the first one I really want to diamond test is actually this krkc one. This one right here, they're big dogs, I think in the industry. They have really good stuff. Everyone's been asking me to review them. I've seen their stuff. You can tell the quality's dope right here. We're going to double test the tester to make sure it's working right now. We got 4 bars, that's what you want, I think. Hold it up to the watch. That's how it should look. When you go, that meant I hit metal. Anyway, you hold it up. That's what's gonna happen when it's real. So we just tested it. It's also a quick flex. I'm telling you guys my watch is real diamonds, so it's never a bad moment if I could show you guys a test, but also flex at the same time. What do we think, boys? Is krkc gonna pass? At least on this piece. Man, this is bad. You guys know I shake a lot. You guys also need to know they have a cluster of diamonds on here that aren't even a freaking millimeter. This is gonna, actually, there's bigger gems up here. What did that do? I should be looking at the camera while I do it. Okay, that shouldn't, I don't think that counts. That passed. After a few tries, it passed. See, one thing I actually do want to put out there, don't buy this jewelry thinking that it's for sure gonna pass if you're using one of these, because these are not accurate whatsoever. Sometimes it passes, sometimes it doesn't. This right here just passed. Disclaimer, but also I'm very excited. This is a very good video title at this point. It's a great video title, and that's why I'm excited. Try one more time. Yeah, see, another one doesn't work. It's really weird, man. Some might and some won't. So I don't know what we chalked that up as. Did it pass or not? We'll do it one more on that diamond. I did it before. Wild. This is why I love these videos. It's like a surprise unboxing. Alright, we're done with that. Next up, let's go to Gold Gods. This one right here, their blue face collaboration pendant. Once again, nobody claimed that they will pass, but if they pass, it's going to be sick. Let's go right on the, actually the cheek's got a good little gemstone right here. Oh, maybe I should have left it longer. You guys see the yellow going up? Nope, no more than that. No more than that. Let's try another one. I could try all of them, and I'm sure it might work on one with this freaking diamond tester. Don't take this video verbatim whatsoever, but it's just fun to try. It's a friggin' treasure chest. We got 3 there. Did we do that last time? Maybe not. Okay, so nothing there. We gotta move on. Let's do one of the Shop GLD ones next, and then we'll do this one maybe last, because I'm really excited about that. I think honestly this one might be the coolest. At least maybe it's just a cool piece that's throwing me off. We'll put it down once again. Boys, one take. Barstool Sports style. Everyone knows the rules. You know what I mean? Everyone must get that. Hopefully not. Shop GLD one, bro. I'm trying to find the biggest diamond because I shake too much. There. Yeah, we got one. We got one right there. It's gonna be a longer video, boys, but this is what we need to do to ensure that this is real. Yeah, nothing. All right, we'll let that go. You know what? We're gonna do the next. No, we're gonna do this one next. I'm too excited. This one right here. This is from Iced Out Customs. Oh, absolutely nothing on that one. Absolutely nothing on that one. You know, this that makes me feel kind of good, because the more established ones at least pick up a little bit more. Still doesn't say it's really real, but at least the bar goes up a little bit more. I'm just trying more sides here. I'm gonna do one more on this one. I'm gonna pick a real nice big spot right here. Nothing. All right, cool. Last one. We got a Shop GLD one. I'm doing it right on the little pennant thing here. Yeah, we ain't seeing nothing now. That's how weird this whole system is, man, with this thing. Nothing. Okay, well, nonetheless, I guess we got one good outcome there. Does this open? Oh, I was just looking at this. I thought maybe the mouth opened. It had a little growth. Nonetheless, we did some unboxings. We've got some really cool pieces. May or may not give these away to one person. If we can get 5,000 thumbs up within the day, that's when I'll do it. I know it's hard for you guys to do, but it's also costing me a lot of shipping to start shipping stuff out always, so that's why I'm trying to get a little bit of goals for this before you guys actually win this stuff, because I was spending a lot of money. Anyway, man, appreciate y'all for watching. Got some cool pieces. I mean, I don't know what I've had fun diamond testing them, but nonetheless, we're still diamond testing with something that's not accurate at all, so I don't really know, but I think it's fun. So anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. Where the game goes, small time, y'all the goats. NameBran fans, real strong, man. NameBran fam is also down below in the description. Go buy your stuff if you wish. Helps out the channel a lot, and helps us do more videos, because YouTube doesn't like to pay us too much. And that's a fact. Blow.